Question 45. In the diagram, line TU is a tangent to the circle SPQR. This is the circle at P. So the tangent meets the circle at P, this point P. If PTS with T in the middle is 44 degrees, this angle is 44, and angle SQP with Q in the middle is 35 degrees. Find angle PST. That's PST. Find the angle at S. So we're looking for this angle. Now once we have tangent questions and you don't have the line from center 18 to tangent, that means you don't have a 90-degree theorem of a tangent. But in your mind, you should be having all laws or theorems as regards tangents to a circle or tangent in circle geometry. Now there's a law that applies that will help us solve this question. The law or the theorem is called alternative segment theorem on tangent in circle geometry. It says when you have a tangent and you have a chord, this chord here, the angle formed by the tangent and the chord is same as the angle the chord forms when two lines from the chord hits the circumference of the circle. So if this is x, this is also x. This theorem is going to help us solve the question. For better understanding, separate this shape from the total shape which is below, so we can better understand. We know this is our tangent TU at P. Now this is a line, this is our chord. We have the chord here and we've been given this angle to be 35. And if you look at it, this line and this line are both formed from the chord. They are extended from the chord. So if this is 35, the angle two lines from the chord mixed with the circumference of a circle is the same as the angle the tangent makes with the chord. So this is also 35, as derived from the alternative segment theorem on tangent in circle geometry. We can then note that this is also 35 degrees, and once we have it, we can easily find this angle. Therefore, in the diagram, this is our tangent and this is our chord, and this particular chord has two lines from it, one which is this and the other which is this, forming an angle on the circumference which is 35. So if this is 35, this is also 35. That's this angle is 35 degrees with P in the middle. This is also 35. And if you have this as 35, noting that when it comes to circle geometry, it's not really hard, but you have to be very good at finding hidden facts. Like this, now we have this angle and we have this angle to be 35, and we've been asked to find this angle. If you look closely, you see that the shape TSP is a triangle. So we have this as 44, we have this as 35, and we're looking for this S. So let me redraw it for better understanding. This is T, this is S, and this is P. This is 44, this is 35, and we'll be asked to find this angle. Let's call this angle X. Now this is a triangle, and sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So we have it as X plus 44 plus 35 equals 180. That's sum of angles in a triangle. We go X plus 44 plus 35 will give you 79 equals 180. X equals 180, then plus 79 crosses the equal to sign and turns to minus 79. X equals 180 minus 79 will give us 101. Our answer is therefore A, 101 degree.